Here we are on your amazing RHS Chelsea show garden. Congratulations. How are you feeling?
Feeling very proud and relieved now. Yeah, it's obviously Sunday, so we've been judged, and super proud of what we've achieved with our team. I think the garden's looking really lovely.
Yeah.
It's been a long ride, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a fantastic team, and I think everyone has just done amazingly, and we're all delighted really, and pleased that the charity are delighted, and we've had some charity some patient users down and charity ambassadors down who've been very complimentary, so that's been great. Also a little bit tired.
Yeah. But we're
looking forward to show week a lot.
Mile 20 of the marathon still.
Yeah.
We've got this week to go, so it's all good.
You're doing great. Got this. There's obviously a lot of beautiful things in the garden, but do you have something that you are particularly proud of or pleased with? One kind of aspect of it.
Shall I say mine first?
You go first, yeah.
Okay. I know we're going to come on and talk about planting, so I am really proud of the Terrazzo that we've developed. So Hugo and I have been working on this for months and months. It's a permeable Terrazzo because patients have to move across a completely gradient-free surface, and they can't also have joints in it. So as you move across it, there are no joints, no uncomfortable bumps, nothing that will give you pain. But because it's flat, it has to be permeable. But it's also made of a cement-free concrete, so it's environmentally friendly. So in terms of carbon, it saves the same amount of carbon as you would spend on 3 return flights from London to New York. Just this small amount of paving, and the Terrazzo detailing is all made of waste offcuts like bricks and bits of limestone. So I'm really proud of that because it has taken a lot of work, hasn't it?
Oh, it has been a lot of work.
Yeah.
Another thing I think has come out really beautifully in the garden is the stone cairns that are right behind us. We had that idea when we were in Sheffield, and we went onto the Peak District walking, and you see cairns regularly on walks and marking the routes, and it was this idea of the symbology of that, and if a path is unclear, and if you have had a traumatic, life-changing event, there's symbology of that people have been before you, and there'll be more people after you, and there's support on the way. And Bert and Lydia Noble, amazing master craftsmen, stonemasons from 200 years family of doing stonework, made these for us, and they're from the Sheffield area, and they're really beautiful. They're really special, aren't they?
Yeah.
Final, very hard question to answer. Is there are beautiful plants here? Do you have one that is your favourite?
One. That's tricky. I mean, we have to say Aruncus Horatio. That's the key plant in this garden. It's Aruncus Horatio, and I think it's such a great plant. We're using it in this garden. We also used it in our September garden because it has brilliant autumn character as well. So I'm really happy that it's starting to flower. It's really hard to pick one.
It is really hard. I think just like standing here, you can start to see the beautiful colours of the Cirsium just contrasting with the Euphorbia and the Smyrnium, and I think the bees are all over them at the moment. So it is hard to pick one, and that's just the one I'm staring at now, which is just popping out beautifully.
Brilliant. Thank you very, very much, and congratulations on such a beautiful garden.
Thank you.
Thank you.